guys, today I am going to talk about why it is difficult for an Indian to become a K-pop idol. Becoming a K-pop idol is not easy and it gets even more hard when you are a foreigner. But don't worry, K-pop is for everyone. You can definitely become a K-pop idol if you want to. See Lisa from Blackpink and Victoria from FX. It doesn't matter from which country you belong. But there are some difficulties an Indian may face in the way of becoming a K-pop idol. Offline audition. Till now there is no Korean entertainment company who conducted offline auditions in India. That's why Indians have to give audition online. And believe me guys, getting selected from online auditions is hard. It's not impossible, but it's just hard. But if you have talent and confidence, then no one can stop you. Beauty standards. Korean beauty standards are so high and Indians from North and South usually don't match Korean beauty standards, but if you are East Indian then it can be a little easy for you to pass auditions. Less support from parents. Indian parents are very strict about their child's future. They always want the best for you. That's why when children talk to them about their dream of becoming a K-pop idol, they usually ignore it. I'm not saying that every parent is like this, but most of them usually don't support their children as much as they should. If you are a student in India, then there is 90% chances you may have suffer from a lot of study burden. Indian parents are very strict about studies. With a lot of study burden, it's become difficult for children to practice their hobbies. But don't get demotivated from this. See Suga from BTS, his parents also didn't supported him in the start. He did hard work and now he is shining. If our Indian will become a K-pop idol, some people will definitely say that they have Bollywood, then why they want to be a K-pop idol? You need to deal with all of this. Even when Z Girls debuted, I saw some comments like this. We know that Bollywood is film industry, but they don't. Mistreatment. Some foreign K-pop idol experience mistreatment just because they are not Korean. I'm not saying that all of them, but some experience in some ways. If you are Indian or from any other country and have a dream of becoming a K-pop idol, then pursue it because this is your life. You get this for only one time. I know that it's hard, but your hard work will definitely pay off one day.